Hello, am I audible now? Okay. Vilas was asking that how can I input the data in a particular index. So in between or anything, let me show that one. Is everyone joined? Okay, fine. See, if I want to put some other's name in the first index, there is an index of 0. Let me show you how it is gonna happen. A dot insert, and you have to put the index at which position you are going to insert the object. So as soon as I actually open the curly braces, it is showing that one that there are two parameters. One is index, another one is the object. Okay, so let me write 0 since I just wanted to input some other's name in a first position. So let me write like this. Okay, so I actually inserted Karthik name in the first positions and a Vilas name in a last position. Okay, let me execute A. So you can see over here Karthik name is actually implemented in first position. So did you got Vilas? Is there any doubt in this? Okay, how do I delete the things? Yeah, tell me.
ಎರಡ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು.
ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪುಷ್
Okay, fine.
ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 2 ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So since it is an editor, the code will be not overwritten. So the code will be executed twice. Okay, fine. Yeah, I just wanted to remove this Karthik. So how do I actually remove? So, first of all, I just wanted to remove the name which is present in the last position. So how do I actually do that one? So have you heard of the words in the data structures like push and pop?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, fine. In data structures, we will be having a concept called stack. In that particular stack, push operation is nothing but inserting the objects in the last position, and the pop operation is nothing but deleting the object which is present in the last position. So did you guys got what I'm saying? So push operation is nothing but inserting an object in the last position, and pop operation is nothing but deleting an object which is present in the last position of an array. So here also we have the particular function or a module called as pop in order to remove the last elements which is present in the list. So let me actually do that one. A dot pop, that's it. So if I do and execute that one, so then the popped element is the string, and if I execute the values which is present in A, the last element which is present in the list will not be displayed. Did you guys make out what I'm saying? Hello? Yeah. Okay, fine. What if I want to remove some particular thing which I don't want? So I just wanted some values which is no, I know the value, and I just don't want the value to be present in the list. So I just want to remove that one. So again we have the module called as remove in this list. A dot remove. Okay, so remove. See, it is asking only the value which you need to remove. It's not asking any kind of index or anything that you want to remove. It is only asking the particular value that you need to remove it. So let me remove. Okay, if I execute A, then only the values which we want will be present in the list. Okay, did you all guys got the functions of insert, remove, pop and all?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ we can make use of replace. Replace is not there in list. We will be having the
ಮತ್ತೆ
values.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ? ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ 500-600 ಡೇಟಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ
500-600 data iddaga they will write their own functions, or I don't know about that one. They might actually introduce another library for that. We need to search in documentation part. Actually, I don't know.
ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
So this is the basic operations that we are actually dealing with. Do you have any doubts in this? Okay, let me actually move into the another thing. Let me initialize a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, the type of the values which is present in a is always an integer, as you all know. Okay, I just wanted to print the values which is present in a in a reverse order. So what is the approach that I am going to consider by using for loop? Guys, it's 7:14 now and we haven't completed the basic part of Python. If you are not answering, only single person or 2 persons is answering, this is not gonna work. Please, others, unmute yourself and talk. If you don't know, just try to explain what else you have understood.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್.
Okay, list dot reverse. So I just don't want the functions
sorry,
to
a
be
dot
implemented. I just want to use for loop in this one, and then I have to print the values which is present in a.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್.
Okay, single no, okay, forget about reversing the things. I just wanted to print the values which is present in a by using for loop. So how do I do that one?
ಅಣ್ಣ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅದೇ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಐನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಐನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ,
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಇನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ 0 to 6.
ಓಕೆ, 6 ಅಂತ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 6? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 6?
ಲೆಂತ್ len of a.
Yeah, so there is one more function which actually tells us about the length of the array. Okay, in order to find the length of an array, we'll be taking the help of this. The syntax is length of a, any kind of object you can pass into it. Okay, so you'll be getting the exact value which is present in that one. Okay, the length of a is 5. You got that one. So let me actually put let me initialize into some other variable. Okay, so now let me yeah, sure, Raj, tell me what is the syntax I need to put in order to print for
I in range 0 comma length
0 comma
length.
fine.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ len of a
ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. len of a,
ಇದು colon.
ಓಕೆ,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ a of i colon ಇಲ್ಲ colon ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Okay, fine. So let me print this one. See, the values which is present in a is 1 2 3 4 5. It is printed over here. So I just don't want to use a length function, range function, and all those things. And I just don't want to use the parameters which is present in A in order to implement by using index also. I just don't want to use index also. So I want to remove this particular thing. I just wanted to remove range, and I just don't want to use the index kind of a thing in order to print that one. How do I actually use in a different manner? I don't want to use range, and I just don't want to use the index value in order to print the value in the array.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೂಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Yeah, we'll be using loop only, but we'll be not using range and index kind of a thing. I just don't want to extract something which is present in the particular index.
ಬರೀ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಣ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಅಂತ
I print a of I. Okay, fine, let me do it that one for I.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Hmm.
ಬಟ್ ಐಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರಿ. ಹಲೋ,
Yeah, am I audible? Hello.
ಹಲೋ, ಆಮ್ ಐ ಆಡಿಬಲ್?
Yeah, Shivraj, you are audible. Am I audible?
ಹಾ, ಅಣ್ಣ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Fine, actually it is connecting now to the server. I'm running out of the data, that's why. Here you can see, yeah, it's connected. See, what you are told is actually it's not a syntax for that one. So if you don't want to use range and index kind of a approach, you can actually use like this also. For I in A, okay, I in A, then just print I itself. Okay, so let me print this one and let me explain you what is exactly happening over there. Yeah, see, the first we have initialized like this, right? I is in A. So what is the values of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the values which is present in A. So for I which is present in A, the I is the value which is pointing towards 1. So I will be pointing towards 1 for the first iterations. Later on I will be pointing towards 2. Later on I will be pointing towards 3. That means I will be getting the values of 1, 2, 3. No, it's not 0. Why? Because we have defined A over here. So what is the initial value of A? 1.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
No, it's not an index value. So actually I will be taking the values which is present in A. Okay, I will be taking 1. I will be
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್.
yeah, whatever will be there in the first index, or whatever the values which is present in the A, it is going to print that one. So I will be pointing from the first index to the end of the index. Okay, I is not an index over here, it is actually pointing towards the value which is present in a index. So let me do it like this also. Let me start with this one. Let me add some strings and the float points also. And if I execute this one, as we have discussed, I will be pointing towards 2 in the first iterations. Then I will be taking the value of Sushin. Then I will be taking the value of 4.6986, and I will be taking the value of 5. Okay, let me execute this. See, 2, Sushin, 4.5986 and 5. So did you make the difference what I'm telling? Shilpa? Nikita, are you there?
Anna.
Okay. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Anna.
Okay. Preksha?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Okay. Vilas is there. Shilpa is not there, I think. Is she there? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So, fine. Let us move on to the another part of thing. So let me initialize the lists over here. 54, 54, 48, 98, and 100. Okay. There is one more particular library or sorry module which is there to reverse the order of the sequence which is present in list. Okay, so let me show that one. A dot reverse. Okay, if you do that one, then the whole set of the values which is present in A will be reversed. See, so as soon as you type A dot, there is n number of the functions which you can see over here. See, A dot append, A dot clear, A dot copy, A dot count, all those things which will be present in the editor itself. Just the thing is you need to know what exactly the different parameters are going to do. Suppose if we want to use another kind of approach, you can just go over here and just type a flower braces. If you are not understanding what is the input that you need to put, wait for some time. It is going to display what are the parameters that you are going to pass. See, I just don't know what is index is going to do. I just type in index and it is actually guiding me that in order to input the values of value and the start and the stop of the particular index that I need to put in the different parameters. Okay, so did you guys got what I'm saying? Fine. So
Yes.
how do I actually sort the array? So what are the different sorting techniques that you know in C programming or any kind of approach? What are the different kinds of sorting? Not in terms of functions, but you can have n number of sorting techniques which is present. So just name some one or two sorting techniques that you know.
Bubble sort.
Double sort selections.
Okay. Bubble sort, selection sort, shell sort is there, radix sort is there, quick sort is there.
Quicksort.
Yeah. So the n number of
Deep
sorting
sort.
techniques are there. Okay. But in Python, we can actually implement all these n number of sorting techniques. But there is another way approach which actually reduces our time and it actually saves our times. Let me show you that one. I just want I just want to sort all these values which is present in A. So in order to do that, I will be dealing with the same approach. A dot sort. Just type sort. The values which is present in A will be sorted. Let me execute A. See, you can see over here. Initially the values are 100, 98, 48 and 54. Now it is 48, 54, 98 and 100. Okay, I have a question that. So let me initialize the list with some strings. Say for example, machine, let me take my name and Abhishek. And let me take okay, I have initialized by using some strings. So let me sort the array, sorry, list. So if I execute A, what is the values that you are actually expecting as an output? So there is a string and I performed sort. So what is the approach that is going to perform in this particular task? What is the output that you are expecting?
Size of string ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಣ್ಣ.
Huh?
Size of string.
Okay, size of string. So what is the output? You just tell me the output.
6 ಅದು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Others? So let me give you a hint. It will be sorted based on alphabetical order. So what is the output?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಭರತ್ ಸುಶೀನ್.
Abhishek, Bharat, Sushin. Shivraj, you were actually telling something.
ಅದೇ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸೇಮ್
Same, okay. Others, can I lock your answers to Bharat, Sushin and Bharat, Abhishek, Bharat and Sushin?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳುತ್ತಾ ಅಣ್ಣ?
ಹಾ,
ಓ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಸುಶೀನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Abhishek, Sushin, Bharat. Exactly. So since okay, as we discussed, and it's a wonderful discussions we had now, and you came up with the answers. Vishrut was telling that based on the length, yes, it is correct, and based on the alphabetical orders, it is correct, and based on the type of the alphabetical order, it is uppercase or lowercase, it is going to consider the truth. So hence the output will be Abhishek, Sushin, and Bharat. See. So did you all guys got the approach over here?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೇಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಣ್ಣ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್?
ಏನು?
ಈಗ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ?
Yeah, fine.
Like if you want in descending order.
Okay, let me initialize this one. So copy. So there is one more parameter which is actually present in sort, so that you need to know. By default it will be none and true. Let me show you that what exactly it is. A dot sort of, see, the key value which is actually none. That means if key value is equal to none, let me discuss that later. Here there is an option called as reverse is equal to false. Okay, you are sorting it in a ascending order if the reverse is equal to false. So okay, let me do it like this. Reverse is equal to true. I just want in a reverse manner. That means you are actually, you want the sorting technique to be done in descending order. Okay, let me execute this one. So you will be sorted in a descending order. Fine. So did you guys got?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, let me ask you another question. Let me initialize the strings by this one. 2 fine 4 0 and 45. So tell me what are the type of the values that is present in A?
String ಇರೋದು.
Huh? String is fine. So if I perform sorting operation on based on string, what is the expected output you are going to get? I want everyone to answer this question. So let me do the sort operation.
1 2 0.
Yeah, 1 2 0.
54 and 45.
54 and 45. Okay, 1 2 0 54 and 45. Okay.
5.
That means it is not sorting anything.
ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 0 ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು
Okay, I got the
Okay.
sorted order manner in this case.
ವಿಶ್ರುತ್ ಅದೇನು 1 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 0.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಲೂಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದೀವೋ
ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Fine. So I just initialize the strings over here and I just perform the sorting operations. How do the values which is present in A is going to sort according to the integer?
ಅಣ್ಣ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 0 1 2 3 ನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ವ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೀನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಈಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಈಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಈಗ 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆತರ.
ಫೈನ್.
ಹಂಗೆ
ಸೊ
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. One more thing is let me append some other values like a dot append APS. So if I perform sorting, okay, let me actually execute A. So I have appended some other values which is present over here. So what is the expected output once I sort the thing? So what is the expected value? Same value se barute.
0 1 2
ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. 0 1 2 3. So in the hence we can actually say that the preference is actually given to the integer numbers which is present over here rather than the strings.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರು ಹ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್
ಅದು ಇದು 0 ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು 0 ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the ASCII values associated for the star and hash is actually lower than the ASCII values which is associated for the numbers and strings, alphabets. Yeah. So how do you got to know about how to reverse the order and you have to reverse
ಲೈಕ್
how to
ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಪಾಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Reverse. So no, we cannot actually do like that. So we can make use of another approach for that one. Let me access the things from initial position to only third position. So how do I actually print the values? I just want the array to be printed from 0 to third position without using for loop, while loop, any other approach. How do I access that one?
Print 0 colon 4.
Okay, fine. As he told, we can actually do that one. So let me show you that one. So you are accessing the elements which is present in A from 0 till the value that you want. Okay, let me take 4 over here. So it will be going to print from 0 to the index number 4. So what if I write like this, 0 of minus A of minus 1? What is the expected output? ABS. ABS. Okay, there is no index called as -1 which is present in list. So always the list starts from the index 0 to final value. So what if I write A of -1? Is it going to give error for my approach?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ
Okay.
ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ABS.
See, -1 will be pointing towards the last position. Okay, let me actually show you that one. If I print a of -1, see, it is printing a BS. So what if I print a of -2? So it's the position which is present from the last index. That means a of -2 means it is going to print 54. Okay, so what if I want to print the values which is present in this manner? Like I just want 0, and later on I just want 2, I just want 54 to be printed. I want to skip one value which is present in between the initial value to final value.
ಅದಣ್ಣ ಲೂಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
Not in a loop manner. As earlier Vilas actually told that we have to we can actually make use of increment order. In this particular case also we will be having increment order. Okay, so a of 0 till the end of the loop. So it can be anything. Okay, so if you are not writing anything, that means you are moving from initial position to the final positions in the order of increment by 2. See, 0 is printed, and then 2 is printed, then 54 is actually printed. Okay, did you guys got what I'm saying? Even if you not write 0, it's fine, because if you are not writing anything, it is taking the values from initial position to the final position by an increment of 2. Okay, it's time.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಣ್ಣ.
Yeah.
ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅದು ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿನ ಈಗ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇದೇ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಣ್ಣ. ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ -1 to 0 ಅಂತ.
Yeah, exactly, -1 to 0 by an increment of
ರಿವರ್ಸ್
-1
ಆಗುತ್ತಣ್ಣ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ by increment of
Okay.
-1. See, -1 to 0, you are moving from the last position to initial position by decrementing the parameters that you have passed over here
ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
in the steps of
ಈಗ
-1.
ಅದೇ -1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್
No,
ಒಂದೇ
no,
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ
no.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
There won't it won't print anything. Why? Because you have initialized from -1 to 0, right?
ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
Okay. So others, did you got what I'm saying? So let me stop over here. It's already 7:40. Yeah. Do you have any questions, and how you are feeling about this approach? Roshni, did you understand?
Yes, bhai, I understood.
Okay. Is Gaganashri is there? Gaganashri, Gaganayan, anybody?